Okay. Solve the following pair of linear equations by elimination method and substitution method. Both the methods you have to do. Already, I think you did first sum. You can do homework. Can you do this 4-bit sum? I think you did or not? This 4. Exercise 3.4. You did?
No, sir.
You have to do today. By elimination method and by substitution method, you have to solve them. Okay.
Okay, sir.
3.4,
Okay,
1, 2, 3, 4 bits you have to solve by elimination method and by substitution. Both the methods you have to do. First means 8 sums will come. Okay, now I am going to do the second sum word problems. Form the pair of linear equation the following problems and find their solutions if they exist by elimination method. If they exist by elimination method, you have to solve. If they exist means you have to check a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Then you have to do solvation. See the first sum. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduced to 1 means here fraction means there are two numbers. One is numerator and another one is a denominator. Let the numerator be x and denominator be y. Numerator be x and denominator be y. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, that means x minus 1. 1 from the denominator, y minus 1. Sorry, we add 1, x plus 1, y minus 1. Then the fraction reduced to 1 means x minus 1, x plus 1 by y minus 1 is equal to 1. That is the first equation. It becomes 1 by 2 if only add 1 to the denominator. If you only add 1 to the denominator, that means numerator will not touch. X by y plus 1, x by y plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. If you simplify both equations, you will get that two equations. Once you will go to that what I did, solvation. Mute again. Voice is getting. You are not mute. Mute yours. Now see here. Let the numerator be x. Is it answers that answer page to all? The screen share visible to all?
Yes,
Anyone?
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let the numerator be x. Still, why some? Who is that? Somebody are shouting. Who's that on that one? Who's that one? Mute yourself. That for who is shouting in the house? Who is that fellow?
Manoj, sir.
Manoj, mute. Let the numerator be x. Let the denominator be y. Given addition of 1 to the numerator and subtraction of 1 from the denominator will reduce the fraction to 1. That means x plus 1 by y minus 1 equal to 1 by 1. X plus 1 equal to y minus 1. Transpose y to LHS plus 1 to RHS. Then x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. This is our first equation. Then a1 equal to 1 here. b1 equal to minus 1. c1 equal to 2. Then second condition. Given addition 1 to the denominator only, it will reduce to a fraction 1 by 2. Means numerator x only, denominator only we are adding 1. Y plus 1 equal to 1 by 2. In cross multiplication, 2x equal to y plus 1. 2x minus y minus 1 equal to 0. A equal to 2. B equal to minus 1. C 2 equal to minus 1. Now, if they exist, they said that's why a1 by a2 equal to 1 by 2. b1 by b2 equal to minus 1 by minus 1, 1. Hence, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. If they exist means you have to verify this one compulsory. Then you have to solve both the equations. Here y variable is same, minus y. That's why equation 1 minus 2. You are doing subtracting both equations by elimination method. Then y variable will get cancelled. Plus x. Here Devata. Here plus x. Here minus x means minus x. Here 2 plus 1 3 minus x plus 3 equal to 0, x equal to 3, hence substitute in equation 1. 3 minus y plus 2 equal to 0. Minus y plus y equal to 0. Y equal to 5. Hence x is equal to x equal to 3 and y equal to 5. Then the fraction is numerator is 3, denominator 5. The fraction is 3 by 5. If you want to verify, if we add numerator 1 and denominator minus 1 means 3 plus 1 4, 5 minus 1 4, 4 by 4 1 will come. First condition satisfied. If we add only 1 to the denominator, 5 plus 1 6, 3 by 6 means 1 by 2. Like that we can orally verify also. You will write Amma. Fastly copy it. Hare, can I share the notes in the group?
Yes, sir.
What I have to do?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
What I have
sir.
to do?
Share in group, sir.
Share in group. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You have to complete the class work, Amma. 3.1, 3.2,
Okay, sir.
3.3 should finish everyone.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next question. Our next question once. See here. 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Noori and Sonu? That means the present age of Noori is be X years. The present age of Sonu is be Y years. Then 5 years ago means what you can say? You have to subtract from both 5 years. Means 5 years ago, Noori's age was 5 years ago, Noori's age was thrice as old as Sonu. 5 years ago means x minus 5. Noori's age is x minus 5. 5 years ago, Sonu's age is y minus 5. 3 times means thrice means 3 times. So Noori's age x minus 5 is equal to 3 of y minus 5. That's the condition. And now next second equation. To get second equation, second condition is 10 years later. 10 years later means after 10 years. After 10 years means x plus 10, y plus 10. Then it will be twice. Means x plus 10 equal to 2 of y plus 10. Okay, that is the condition. Now we'll go to the answer. Now see, let the present age of Noori's be x years, present age of Sonu's be y years. Given 5 years ago, Noori's was thrice as well as Sonu means 5 years ago means Noori's age is x minus 5, Sonu's age is y minus 5. Hence, x minus 5 equal to 3 of y minus 5. X minus 5 equal to 3y minus 15. X minus 3y equal to minus 5 plus 15 transpose x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0. This is our first equation. X minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0. Here a1 equal to 1, b1 equal to minus 3, c1 equal to 10. Why you are doing this one means if they exist, yeah, so that's why we have to verify, then only we have to go for salvation. That you have to show compulsory. Second condition is 10 years later, Noori's will be twice as old as Sonu. Means after 10 years, Noori's age is x plus 10, Sonu's age is y plus 10. Hence x plus 10 equal to twice means 2 of y plus 10. Hence x plus 10 equal to 2y plus 20. Then x minus 2y plus 10 minus 20 if you transfer LHS. Then the equation is x minus 2y minus 10 equal to 0. Then a1 equal to 1, a2 equal to a1 equal to 1, a2 equal to 1, b2 equal to minus 2, c2 equal to minus 10. If you verify that a1 by a2 equal to 1 by 1, b1 by b2 equal to 3 by 2, hence a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So if they exist, then you can solve these two equations. Hence first equation is x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0, x minus 2y minus 10 equal to 0. Then if you subtract, first equation symbols change, minus, plus, plus. Then plus x minus will get cancelled. Minus 3y plus 2y means it is minus y plus 20. That means minus y equal to minus 20. Hence y equal to 20. Y means I think Sonu's age is 20. Substituting second equation. X minus 2 of minus 20 minus 10 equal to 0. X minus 40 minus 10 equal to 0. X minus 50 equal to 0. Hence X equal to 50. X equal to 50. X equal to 50. Y equal to 20. That means Nuru's age is 50 years and Sonu's age is 20 years. Nuru's age is 50 years and Sonu's age is 20 years. If you want to verify, 5 years ago means this is 45, here 15, then 3 times, 15 3s are 45. Okay, 10 years later means 50 plus 10, 60, 20 plus 10, 30, then twice. 32s are 60. Like that, orally you can verify your word problem answers. Is you understand, Amma? Ages question. Once.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can we go next sum?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
okay, again we're going textbook. Now see, this is the most important line in 8th class. The sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. Also, 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Find the number. Number means immediately the formation of number you have to remember. Let the digit in one's place. Let the digit in one's place be. Let the digit in one's place be Y. Let the digit in tens place be X. Then the original number is, how the original number form means? Can anyone say? Can anyone say how the original number will form? One's
By
place.
reversing the number.
No, I want number first. I want number first. I want number first. Okay. By reversing the digits.
10.
Huh?
10.
What?
10.
10 and right. The original number is the formation of original number. Let the digit in one's place be Y. The digit in tens place be X means the original number is 10 into tens place digit plus 1 into one's place digit. Mute, Amma. Who is that fellow? Mute. 10 into tens place digit and 1 into one's place digit. 10 into tens place digit plus 1 into one's place digit. Means 10x plus y. Understand? The original number is not 10, 10, 10. Babu, Santosh, 10, 10, 10. You are telling. The original number is 10x plus y. 10 into tens place digit plus 1 into one's place digit. Okay. Now, by reversing the digits, how the new number will form means one's place will come in tens place. Tens place digit will come one's place. Then what is the new number, Amma? By reversing this, what is the new number? Now you say?
7 by 9.
Huh?
7 by 9.
Hey, number I said 10x plus y. For that you say, not the fraction. 10x plus y is the original number. By reversing the digits, what is the new number? Anyone? Manoj, mute. Manoj, you mute first. Manoj, mute. Manoj, you're not doing mute, Manoj. Plus y is the original number, Manoj.
Muted, sir.
Not muted. Again you did. Now okay. Now the original number is 10x plus y. The new number is 10y plus x. 10y plus x. That is a new number. One's place digit will come 10's place 10 into one's place digit we suppose y. 10's place digit we suppose x. 10y plus x. Understand? These 2 points. Ma, one say, understand these 2.
Yes, sir.
Original
Yes, sir.
number, new number. 10x plus y, 10y plus x. Then the condition is here. 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits means 9 of 10 plus 9 of 10x plus y is equal to twice means 2 of 10y plus x. 9 of 10x plus y is equal to 2 of 10y plus x. If we simplify, you'll get the answer. Now you'll go to answer. I'll share answer that one. See here. Now, see, let the digit in ones place be y years. Let the digit in tens place be x, y, x. Then sum of the digits he gave. Sum of the digits means sum of the digits is 9. Then x plus y is equal to 9. Sum of the digits is 9. Then x plus y is equal to 9. Then my original number is 10x plus y. By reversing the digits, my new number is 10y plus x. Then the condition he gave, 9 times the original number is twice the reversing the order of the digits. So 9 of 10x plus y is equal to 2 of 10y plus x. So 9 into 10, 90x plus 9y is equal to 2 into 10y, 20y plus 2x. Hence, 90x plus 9y minus 20y transpose to LHS, 2x he transpose. Manoj, you are doing. Manoj, Hare, Manoj, your name you are displayed. Don't do Manoj. Manoj Okudu, Venkatesh Okudu, huh? Mohan Kumar, 3 year. You are not learning, you are disturbing others. That I don't want. Otherwise, I will not allow you 3 members. Manoj, Kaushik, Mohan Kumar. Me don't not learn. Me chadavaddu. Me join avaddu. Epanchi mimmల్ని allow చేయని చెప్పండి. మనోజ్ డిస్ప్లేడ్ యువర్ నేమ్. నేను చెప్పాను మిమ్మల్ని పట్టుకుంటా అని చెప్పాను. మీకోసం అన్ని నేను చేసిన టైం వేస్ట్ చేసి అందరి కోసం. మీరు అసలు క్లాసులు అటెండ్ అవ్వద్దు. శశికిరణ్ ఎవడు మన క్లాస్ లేడుగా. శశికిరణ్ ఇస్ నాట్ దేర్ ఇన్ అవర్ క్లాస్. ఐ విల్ నాట్ అలౌ. హూ ఇస్ దట్ శశికిరణ్? ఐ విల్ నాట్ అలౌ హిమ్. శశికిరణ్ ఇస్ నాట్ ఇన్ అవర్ క్లాస్. 9 of 10x plus y. 9 of 10 means 90x plus 9y is equal to 20y plus 2x. 90x plus 9y equal to 20y plus 2x. 90x plus 9y minus 25 minus 2x equal to 0. 88x minus 11y equal to 0. Divide by 11 on both sides. Divide by 11 on both sides. Then 8x minus y equal to 0. Hence, x plus y equal to 9. The second equation, 8x minus y equal to 0. Plus y minus y cancel. We add. Now we add these two equations. X plus 8x equal to 9x. 9x equal to 9. X equal to 9 by 9, 1. Hence, x equal to 1. Substitute in first equation. 1 plus y equal to 9. Y equal to 9 minus 1, 8. Then, one's digit is 8 and tenth digit is 1. Hence, the number is 18. If you want to check, Irtika, what do you want, Irtika, what do you want? See, 1 plus y is equal to 9. Y is equal to 9 minus 1, 8. Hence, the number is 18. 18. Understand? And now we'll go back to the question. Litish Reddy, you want anything or what they are doing? Ma, understand? This question, understand all? Once unmute and say.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. And now, you see, Meenu went to a bank to withdraw 2,000 rupees. Next question, Amma. He went to bank to withdraw. Why Venkatesh again joined Venkatesh? I don't know. ఎందుకు వెళ్ళాడు, ఎందుకు వచ్చాడు మధ్యలో? నేను అలౌ చేయని మధ్యలో ఎందుకు వెళ్తాను, ఎందుకు కావట్లేదు? Meena went to a bank to withdraw 2,000. She asked the cashier to give her 50 rupees notes and 100 rupee notes only. Meenu got 25 notes in all. Total number of notes given 25 notes. Find how many notes, 50 rupees and 100 rupees she received. That means here you have to suppose, we have to suppose let the number of 50 rupee notes and let the number of 50 rupee notes be X, let the number of 100 rupee notes be Y, then number of 50 rupee notes be X and number of 100 rupee notes be Y, then total number of notes 25 means X plus Y equal to 25. That's the first equation. And total amount each draw, that is 2000. How we get 2000 means we have taken 50 rupee notes, X notes. That's why X into 50, 50X. The amount of 50 rupees amount is 50X. The amount of 100 rupee notes is 100 rupee notes is Y notes. Then Y into 100, 100Y. 50X plus 100Y is equal to total. It is 2000. 50X plus 100Y is equal to 2000. Understand here? Now we will go for the answer once. We'll go to answer screen. Must see, let the number of 250 rupee notes be X. Let the number of 50 rupee notes be X. Let the number of 100 rupee notes be Y. Then total number of notes she got is 25. Total number of notes she got 25 means X plus Y equal to 25. X plus Y you got 25. Then total amount is 2000 rupees. Total amount is 2000 means. Total amount means here I took 50 notes, X notes, X into 50, 50X. I have taken 100 rupee notes Y, then amount is 100Y. Total 2000 rupees. Now here 50 table is going, divided by 50 on both sides. Then X plus 2Y equal to 40. Then it is exist, I think exists that I not wrote. You have to write for every sum whether they exist or not. X means 1 by 1 and Y means 1 by 2. So 1 is not equal to 1 by 2. Hence it is solvation. Then equation 1 minus 2, if we do X plus Y is equal to 25. X plus 2Y equal to 40. Y is equal to 15. Then Y is equal to 15. Substitute in first equation. X equal to 10. Number of 50 rupee notes is 10. And number of 100 rupee notes is 15. Total number of notes is 25. So 50 into 10, 500. 15 into 100, 1500. Hence total amount is 2000 rupees. Here 3 are waiting in room. Those are the names. Sesikiran not in our class. 8th class student now came. And Venkatesh I will not allow. Why he went back? Okay. And now next question. Understand? Amount question understand?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
last sum textbook. We'll go to last sum. Last sum in that worksheet. A lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days. If in the library for the first 3 days, the lending charge and is fixed for 3 days. First, if you take the books in the library, they have to first 3 days some amount. After 3 days, you have to pay the additional charge and an additional charge for each day thereafter. Somebody chart. We'll see what is the chart from Vinitha and Karthik. Sir, record from Vinitha and Karthik, sir. Points. What points? Okay. I will tell. Now I will show on the screen. Okay. Now see here. Here for the fixed charge for the first 3 days and additional charge for each extra day you will pay. That's why find the fixed charge and the charge for extra day. Let the fixed charge for first 3 days is X rupees. The charge for additional day is Y rupees. Then here Sarita paid 27 rupees for a book kept for 7 days. 7 days she kept means already 3 days fixed charge. 3 days will not count. Remaining how many days left? Remaining how many days left? Unmute and say. In 7 days, 3 days is over and remaining how many days left? Unmute and
4
say.
days.
4 days. Good.
4 days.
Good. Mute. And then while Susi paid 21 rupees for the book kept for 5 days. 5 days means 3 days, up to 3 days fixed charge. Remaining how many days left?
2 days.
2 days.
2 days. Good. Now mute. Now the first equation is Sarita paid 27 rupees for a book kept for 7 days means 3 days fixed charge X plus additional charge is Y rupees. Additional days is 4 days. X plus 4Y equal to 27. And while Susi kept the book for 5 days means X plus 2 days only left additional days. So X plus 2Y equal to 21. Lokesh, goodbye Lokesh. Yellow lines. మిమ్మల్ని అందుకే చదువుతున్నాను మీరు ఎందుకు అలా చేసి అర్థం కావట్లేదు. లోకేష్ goodbye Lokesh. Okay, now I go into the answer screen.
సార్
చెప్పు
సార్ ఇది బయటికి వెళ్ళి వచ్చేస్తుంది సార్. కనెక్ట్ అవుతుంది మళ్ళీ బయటికి వెళ్తుంది సార్.
నువ్వు టచ్ చేయొద్దు, స్క్రీన్ టచ్ చేయొద్దు. స్క్రీన్ ఎందుకు టచ్ చేస్తావు? వై ఆర్ టచింగ్ ద స్క్రీన్? డోంట్ టచ్ ద స్క్రీన్. అది let the fixed charge for the first 3 days be X rupees. Let the fixed charge for the first 3 days be X rupees. Let the additional charge per day be Y rupees. Fixed charge for first 3 days be X rupees. The additional charge per day be Y rupees. Then amount Sarita paid for a book kept for 7 days means I already told 3 days minus means 4. X plus 4Y equal to 27. And Susi paid for the book. Susi paid for the book and kept for 5 days, that is 21. X plus 2Y equal 21. Now solve the equation means subtract, x cancel, 2Y equal to 6, Y equal to 6 by 2, 3. Then Y equal to this, substitute in the second equation, X plus 6 equal to 21, X equal to 15. Hence, the fixed charge for the first 3 days is 15. Additional charge per day is 3 rupees. Now first Sarita, 3 days 15 rupees. Extra 4 days, 3 4s are 12, 15 plus 12, 27. Tally. Like this you can tally. First 3 days 15, extra 4 days, 4 3s are 12, 15 plus 12, 21. And Susi 5 days na. First 3 days 15, next 2 days, 2 3 days 6, 15 plus 6, 21. So like that we can verify your answers also orally. Okay. So this is our 3.4. I'll share this notebook and you have to complete 3.4 Amma. Don't keep pending. And what I write in the beginning, she asked in third chapter beginning, what you have write, she asked who? That Vinita. See, I am showing textbook. What you have write in the beginning. I am sharing the screen on the textbook. See, Amma, what you have write in the chapter beginning points. What points you have write in the beginning?
Okay, sir.
See, table you are seeing na. This table compulsory amma. This table 3.4. Table 3.4 compulsory. Okay. Table 3.4 amma.
Okay, sir.
And then see. And these points in that page, these 3 points. First, second, third. These 3 points in that page. Page number 46. 46 page. First question, second question, third point. First point, second point, third point. 40 page. Okay. And then this table 46 page. You have to write points you write and the table. Okay. And then starting
Okay, sir.
write means 46 page you have to write starting 3 points and table. This one, the general form of a pair of linear equation, two variables is x and y. This one first. This first. These lines are in two variables in x and y. XY equations like these are called a pair of linear in two variables. Then you have to write this. The general starting starting. Same page starting. 40 page. 40 page highlighted points you can write. Highlighted. Thickness there na. That you write. Thickness words you write. And then this one. General form of pair of linear equation. And then 46 page you can write. And Solvation, we have two methods. Geometrically, algebraically, geometrically. Geometrically means graphical method. Algebraically means three methods: substitution method, elimination method, cross multiplication method. Ikavani manam straight ga already discussed. That's okay. That all there in notes. Remaining part is there in the notes. Understand? Vinita.
Sir,
Sir, we already started, no, sir. Worksheet 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
3.1, 3.2.
పర్లేదమ్మా, ఒకవేళ ఫస్ట్ లేదా ఒక పేజీలో రాయండి, ఇంట్రడక్షన్ పేజ్ అని రాయండి.
Okay, sir.
పేజ్ అని రాయండి. అమ్మా ఎగ్జామ్ కి అటెండ్ అవ్వండి. ఎగ్జామ్ కి అటెండ్ అవ్వట్లేదు, వీకెండ్ ఎగ్జామ్ ఉంది, పాలినామియల్స్ ఎగ్జామ్ కి అటెండ్ అవ్వాలా. సుప్రియకి చెప్పండి, హిస్టరీ లేదా నిద్ర లేవమని చెప్పండి, లేదా సార్ని స్కూల్ కి అని చెప్పండి. సుప్రియకి
Okay, sir.
సైన్స్ ఎగ్జామ్ కి Ma Supriya, you wake up to morning class 9 o'clock. You are telling network problem. Okay, see, tell her to attend maths class. She is telling network problem. For only maths class network problem to her. Science, social, she is attending. Other come and meet me in the school. I'll be there in the school. Tell her problem in the school. Okay. Ma Maulavi wants to you speak on Maulavi. Maulavi, where are you? And show me on the screen. Come on the screen. Sir, కనపడమ్మా నాకు. ఏంటి తమాషాగా ఉందా టెస్ట్ అంటే? మీరు ఇట్లా చేస్తే నేను అలా నేను క్లాసులు చదువుతున్నాను, మీరు క్లాసులు వింటారా, తమాషా చేస్తారా? 10 minutes టైం అడిగావు, క్లోజ్ అయిన తర్వాత అవ్వలేదు, ఎక్స్క్యూజ్ అన్నావు. ఏంటి అసలు మీరు అబ్యూజ్ చేస్తున్నారు? చెప్పు నీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ కూడా క్లాస్ అటెండ్ అవ్వమని. ఇవి స్లిప్ టెస్ట్ మార్క్ కన్సిడర్ చేస్తాను. ఈ ఇంటర్నల్స్ మార్క్స్ కట్ చేసి చదువుతున్నా, మీ ఇష్టం. ఇంటర్నల్స్ మార్క్స్ కట్ చేస్తాను. ఇంటర్నల్స్ మార్క్స్ మీకు పాస్ అవ్వాలి. ఈ ఇయర్ ఇంటర్నల్స్ మార్క్స్ పాస్ అవ్వాలంటే ఈ స్లిప్ టెస్ట్ అన్ని కన్సిడర్ అవుతుంది, మీ ఇష్టం చదువుతున్నాను. మీరు తమాషాగా ఉంది క్లాస్ అంటే. ఆల్రెడీ నేమ్ సెలెక్ట్ చేశాను. నువ్వు టెస్ట్ అటెండ్ అవ్వట్లేదు, నెక్స్ట్ టెస్ట్ అటెండ్ అవుతుంది మాత్రం ఇట్ విల్ బి సీరియస్. సుప్రియ అటెండ్ అవ్వట్లేదు. దట్ Venkatesh, the great boy, and this Mohan Kumar అన్నాడు. ఒకసారి నడపను, నువ్వు వెళ్ళిపోమా, ఇంకా గో బ్యాక్, మ్యూట్ యువర్ ఫోన్ అండ్ వీడియో గో. Mohan Kumar, Mohan Kumar, where is it? Mohan Kumar, are you are there? ఎక్కడ నీ మోహన్? show me your face on the video. Mohan Kumar, on the video. నువ్వు ఆన్ చేయాలి వీడియో. ఏంటి లైన్స్ ఎందుకు డ్రా చేస్తున్నావు? లైన్స్ చదవా? 10th క్లాస్ మానేసి ఇంట్లో కూర్చుంటావా? ఏంటి ప్రాబ్లం చెప్పు నాకు. నువ్వు ఎందుకు డిస్టర్బ్ చేస్తున్నావు? నువ్వు ఒకటి, వెంకటేష్ ఒకడు, ఎందుకు డిస్టర్బ్ చేస్తున్నారు? కౌశిక్, మనోజ్. ఇందాక మనోజ్ గానే వచ్చింది, వాడు మ్యూట్ చేయండి, మ్యూట్ చేయట్లేదు. ఎందుకు డిస్టర్బ్ చేస్తున్నారు? ఉన్నది 40 minutes. నేను ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చెప్పాలి, ఏం చేయాలా? ఎందుకు నీ ప్రాబ్లం చెప్పు. మీ పేరెంట్స్ మాట్లాడమంటావా? పక్క ఉన్నారా పేరెంట్స్? పేరెంట్స్ మాట్లాడమంటావా చెప్పు, లేదా బుద్ధిగా నడుచుకుంటావా క్లాసు? ఐ వాంట్ స్పీక్ విత్ యువర్ పేరెంట్స్. నువ్వు బుద్ధిగా ఉంటావా? అరే స్పీక్ అవుట్. నువ్వు నోరు తెరవాలి నాకు. ఎందుకు చేస్తున్నావు? ఏంటి ఓకే? నువ్వు నాకు డిస్టర్బెన్స్ చేస్తే మాత్రం నీ ఇష్టం. ఐ విల్ నాట్ టాలరేట్ టు ఆల్ పీపుల్. అదే స్పీక్ విత్ పేరెంట్స్. మీ ప్రాబ్లం మాట్లాడుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు సుప్రియ ఎందుకు అటెండ్ అవ్వట్లేదు? క్లాస్ ఎందుకు అవ్వట్లేదు? సిగ్నల్ ప్రాబ్లం. మ్యాథ్స్ కి వస్తుందా, నిద్ర రావట్లేదా? సైన్స్ కి, సోషల్ కి అటెండ్ అవుతుంది. చెప్పండి ఆమెకి. గర్ల్స్ చెప్పండి అమ్మా. మౌలవి నీ ఫ్రెండేగా చెప్పు ఆమెకి. ఎందుకు చేస్తున్నారు? సీరియస్ చెప్పారని చెప్పు. అది నాకు స్కూల్ కలిసి నాకు లేదని నేను వాళ్ళ మామయ్యతో మాట్లాడతాను. ఐ స్పీక్ విత్ అవర్ అంకుల్. ఐ స్పీక్ విత్ అవర్ అంకుల్. అది మీరు క్లాసెస్ డిస్టర్బ్ చేయొద్దు. టైం వచ్చింది, 1 minute టైం ఉంది. డోంట్ డిస్టర్బ్ ద క్లాస్. అది ఓన్లీ వాళ్ళ 15 members వచ్చారు క్లాస్ కి. అటెండెన్స్ స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేయాలి ఒకసారి. ఎందుకు అలా చేస్తున్నారు? అందరికీ ఉపయోగించే క్లాసు ఇది. 2-3 months ఇలాగే చదువుతుంది ప్రాసెస్. స్కూల్లో సిగ్నల్ లేదని ఇంటికి వచ్చి చదువుతుంది మీ క్లాసు, డిస్టర్బ్ అవ్వకూడదని. స్కూల్ నుంచి వచ్చి నేను ఇంటికి వచ్చి చదువుతున్నా వాళ్ళ క్లాసు, లేదా స్కూల్లో సిగ్నల్ లేదు ఇందాక. మోహన్ కుమార్ నువ్వు చేయొద్దు, నెక్స్ట్ టైం చదువుతున్నాను. మీరు 9th లో వేసిన యాక్షన్ అయ్యొద్దు, 10th లో బుద్ధి నడుచుకోండి. ఈ ప్రాసెస్ 2-3 months ఇలా ఉంటుంది. మీరు వేస్ట్ చేసుకుని మీరే నష్టపోతారు. క్లాస్ వర్క్లు రాయండి, టెస్ట్ కి అటెండ్ అవ్వండి. ఆ టెస్ట్ సిప్లెస్ వీళ్ళు కన్సిడర్ అండ్ ఇంటర్నల్స్ కూడా అవి కన్సిడర్ చేస్తాను చదువుతున్నాను. అది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. అది పరిస్థితులు ఆన్లైన్ కాబట్టి ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ నడుస్తాయి. మీరు డిస్టర్బ్ చేశారనుకోండి, ఉన్న 40